Hi everyone, and a special hello to you that's watching this video. At last is the last wall's turn of this first floor of this whole dollhouse. Um, I actually everything I think would work out for this wall here. I showed you once last the wooden dividers, that thing I bought with all these leaves. So I took all the leaves off. I carried to size. Actually, I had to saw it to size because it's actually, I think, looks like bamboo or this rose sticks or something. Uh, um, and I'm actually so lucky. It fits perfectly in this little electric wire stuff that I use for the doll houses here in front. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut off this whole wall. I'm going to cut off here and then take it off, and I'm going to paste this on the side here and underneath and then over here on top so that it can hold it in place. And then I'm going to put this little wood between that. I'm just obviously going to use it with hot glue to just keep it in place, because now it's not very much place that is holding it. But yeah, I will figure that out when I put it on, because obviously on the top side it must be inside, so hopefully that will give enough strength to hold the wall. I think it would, because if you put the level on top, it will put extra weight on it. So yeah, I think it will definitely hold that in place. So that's what I'm going to do now. So let's get started. Okay, so it's time for this wall to go. So I'm just going to cut it off here. Okay, the idea here as well is like on the other side of the house, was that garden thing. I want to paste this bamboo sticks against this plastic here, so then it will also look like a garden bed. Maybe you can put some plants in here as well, so it will look like a garden bed from this side. So now it's time to try and put this wood in and see how that's going to work. So one side is fairly, there is staplers or whatever through it, but the other side is open, so I don't know if I must, yeah, I must try it like this. And then obviously, how are you going to start with a thick one? Maybe I must do this. out now, especially with the greenery as well. It just looked round off now, and I don't want to put too much flowers here. And I actually like those little blue ones. So yeah, I wanted to make it a bit different than the other houses or the other part of this house side. But yeah, so for now I'm finished. This wall is also finished now. So all the outside walls of the first floor is so like in totally finished. So now I can put this part together with this part that's hiding here behind me. So yeah, and then you can see how it looks then. So first I have to do a little bit of cleanup here before I can do that. So I'll be back just now. Okay, and there you go. Now my house is put together. The add-on is now next to the house, so it's now one piece. But I still just have to screw this wall together here to make it one piece. And then by the doorway here, I'm going to put in also this white electric tubing thing in there to round it off, like with the parents' room. And I've decided I'm going to put this door back inside. They close it up because of that. It's most actually an open area, so it's not. So it's just next to the house. So that's why I'm going to put a door in there, and I'm not gonna take this wall off. So I will make a plan with the stairs. That is, the stairs must be somewhere here now. So I'm gonna make a plan. But when I come to this side of the house again, then I will worry about the stairs. So the stairs is one of my last worries for now. So now I can start again with the house actually by the living room on the inside now, because I'm gonna have to put back all the pelmets because I had to took it off when I put in the windows. So then I can start here again from scratch to each room and fix it up and make it neat, because it's like you can see it's in a shambles there, and there's some stuff I'm gonna change here and there. But I'm actually so happy with how this Patio Lapa area came out. I really do like that wall there, terrace type of wall. It's actually beautiful for me, and I'm thinking of using this tile. It's like a brick tile to put it against this back wall there, and then I will still decide. So I must still do the inside, but that I will worry about when I came to the Lapa site. First I'm going to start here by the living room, so but that's for next time. So yeah, it's already dark. I've been working the whole day on this house, but I'm happy about what I did, and I was a big struggle with that wall, but eventually it worked out. So yeah, I'm really happy about this. Oh, and I've got an awesome idea for this little piece of grass. Maybe I think I'm using this little bark from an old dead tree in my yard. So I'm thinking of making little tiles with this bark to put here where I'm going to put a bench. But that's also when I come to the site again, I will think about that and worry about that. But yeah, there is my house now together. So yeah, for this episode, I think that's enough. It was a hard and difficult day for me. So yeah, until next time, bye.